Now we will see question number 19. We have been given that log x is m plus n, log y is m minus n, and we have to find the value of log 10x upon y square. And these are the options given. Now we are to find the value of log 10x upon y square. Base is not given. We are assuming the base as 10. Now this can be written as log 10x minus log y square, because log m upon log n, log m upon n can be written as log m minus log n. So m here is 10x, n here is y square. Now these are in product 10 into x, so they will be in log property. As per the log property, they will be in the addition form. So this can be written as log 10 plus log x minus, this is log y square, m to the power n form. So this can be written minus 2 log y, because m to the power n, log of m to the power n is n log m. So 2 will come in ahead, it will be in the product with log y. Now log 10 is 1, because 10 base 10 is 1. So the first term is 1. What is log x? Log x is given m plus n. So I am writing it m plus n minus 2 times log y is m minus n. So in place of log y, I am writing m minus n. Now rest work is to simplify it. Simplify it. 1 plus m plus n minus 2m plus 2n. 1 plus m and minus 2m, so minus m, n plus 2n, which is 3m. So which option is correct? 1 positive is here, minus m plus 3n. This is option A. So our option A is correct. Now we will see question number 20. The simplified form of 2 log 5 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus 1 upon 2 log 4 is. Options are 1 by 2, 4, 2, and D option is none of these. Now we start with the first term. First term is 2 log 5 to the base 10. Now 2 is under multiplication with log 5 to the base 10. So this 2 will become power of 5. First term can be written as log 5 to raised to the power 2 to the base 10. Second term I am writing as it is, which is log 8 to the base 10. Third term, with the same rule, I can write log 4 raised to the power 1 upon 2 to the base 10. I have used the formula that log of m to the power n to the base a is equal to n log m to the base a. With that formula, because in first term 2 is under the multiplication, so it has become power of 5. Now we simplify this. So 5 raised to the power 2 is 25. So first term can be written log 25 to the base 10. Second term I am writing as it is, which is log 8 to the base 10, and 4 raised to the power 1 upon 2. That is under root of 4, and under root of 4 we know is 2. So it can be written log 2 to the base 10. Now 3 logs are given. These two are under addition form, and the third one is in the subtraction form. So subtracting 1, the number will come in the denominator, and in addition the numbers will be in the product form. So combining these 3, I can write log of 25 into 8 upon 2 to the base 10. 25 into 8, because this first two terms are of the form log m plus log n. Then since log 2 to the base 10 is in under subtraction, so it will come in the division form. Now simplifying it, this will be 4 and 25 multiplied by 4 is 100. So this comes to be log 100 to the base 10. Now log 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. So I am writing log 100 as 10 to the power 2 to the base 10. Again with the formula log m raised to the power n to the base a is n log m to the base a. So 2 will come ahead under multiplication. So this can be written log 2 log 10 to the base 10. And we know that log 10 base 10 is 1. So this answer is 2. Hence our option C is correct. The simplified form of the given expression is 2. Now we will see the next problem.